Stop scrolling for a second because I'm about to tell you a truth that might shake your testing career. If you are still only stuck with manual testing in 2025, you are already 5 steps behind the industry. Why? Because the world has moved to automation and one tool is quietly taking over the entire testing landscape: Playwright with JavaScript. Think of Playwright as the Tesla of automation tools. Selenium was the solid Maruti 800 that got us from A to B. It was reliable, it worked, but it was limited. Playwright is like stepping into an electric self-driving car, faster, smarter, and designed for the future. Here's the kicker. Playwright doesn't just test websites, it tests across all browsers, multiple devices, and even in parallel with a level of speed and reliability that feels unreal. Imagine finishing in 5 minutes what took you 2 hours in Selenium. That's the superpower we're talking about. And why JavaScript? Because it's the language of the internet. Every company that builds products online is powered by JS somewhere. By learning Playwright with JavaScript, you're not just learning a tool, you're aligning yourself with the core DNA of modern tech companies. Let me give you a wow fact. Playwright can test your app even before it's fully built. With mock APIs and network interception, you can simulate entire scenarios without waiting for the backend team to finish. That means testers become superheroes who accelerate product delivery instead of slowing it down. Now, I know many manual testers fear automation, but here's the truth. Playwright is so intuitive that if you can explain a test case in English, you can write it in Playwright. It's like speaking the language of testing directly to your computer. So here's my challenge. Do you want to remain just a tester, or do you want to become the automation architect every company is chasing right now? I am going to conduct a detailed 2-month program on Playwright with JavaScript. To know more, type Playwright in the comments.